What we do at Lonza in the Netherlands is not magic or some kind of science fiction. What we do is science fact.
We work at the forefront of the cell and gene industry, creating cutting-edge treatments and therapies that enable a healthier world.
We are the European Centre of Excellence for Process Development and Manufacturing,
Part of a global network of cell and gene expertise in Europe, Asia and the US.
We bring together experienced scientists and promising talent. 350 employees, 30 different nationalities, all partnering with innovators, taking their therapies from concept to commercialization.
What we do is new and we are evolving at pace. We are empowered to think creatively and work collaboratively as part of supportive, experienced teams, applying your skills to multiple therapies with the potential to have a profound, life-changing impact.
It means a unique opportunity for a dynamic entrepreneurial career, making a meaningful difference to people's lives time and time again in a well-connected part of the world that has a historic heart and a progressive outlook.
What we do is help people live longer, healthier lives.